Hey guys, welcome to another video with Mickey's Tea. Guys, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much in advance. This is my mother's store in Haiti. She started with the middle, then she added that larger side, which is storage for her. Then she added that bar on the side. They do cook there, but not for sale. My brother started to build a shop on the top. He wanted to do a barber shop on the top. Today we are going to be cleaning the shop after 1 month after my mother's death. We are going to be cleaning. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thank you.
What's in here?
Thank you so much for watching the video. If you have not yet, please subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that you are notified when I post the next video. Bye.